Good morning, everyone. Today we will continue this chapter. Topic is need and importance of physical education. Children, if we want to keep ourselves fit and healthy during this era, then we have to involve ourselves in some sort of physical activity regularly so that muscles and other important systems of our body gets exercised regularly, develop and function properly in order to avoid various health related problems and disease. When children are performing, they think about what they are doing. They analyze the situation and make decisions. As a result, they develop the confidence to take part in different physical activities and learn about the values of healthy, active lifestyle. Students get a lot of benefits from physical education classes because physical education classes can help students to become more aware of the importance of a healthy lifestyle. One important definition is, according to Plato, sound mind dwells in sound body. It means if you are healthy, then your brain is also fine. These points are there. Importance of physical education. First point is knowledge of health. In physical education, children learn about various facts related to health, like personal health and hygiene, communicable and non-communicable disease, infections, etc. are learnt by the children, which finally help them to prevent and protect themselves from all these diseases. Second point is proper use of leisure time. So many children are thinking we are free in this time, but students can also their spare or free time more meaningfully by involving themselves in some physical activities or recreational activity. Physical education activities help them to choose the right activity which will assist them to relieve their stress, tensions of life, and also help in relaxation. Third point is growth and development. It means individual's personality development. For growth and development of the students, they must take part in various physical activities, especially in their childhood, so that they are able to develop and grow better physically, mentally, and socially and emotionally. Next point is better development of motor qualities. It means physical fitness components. When students take part in various physical activities, the motor qualities like, it means physical fitness components like strength, speed, endurance, flexibility, etc. develops better, which are also various important in various games and sports. Next point is fifth point, helps in developing human relations. This is very important point. Physical activities also helps in developing and maintaining good relations to each other among the students. When students take part in physical activities, they develop so many social qualities like sympathy, cooperate to each other, good understanding, loyalty, sportsmanship, courtesy, discipline, etc., which ultimately help them to understand and adjust better with various individuals in different situations, like inter-school tournament, regional tournament, state, in national tournament, etc. Number 6 point is better emotional development. Better emotional development: when students take part in various physical activities, they also develop emotionally. Emotions like love, aggression, anxiety, jealousy, stress, tension, etc., get better outlets when students take part in various physical activities. Next point is help in creating discipline. Discipline is very important in our life. When students participate in various physical activities, they have to follow various rules and regulations of the games and sports. Listen to their teachers and coaches obediently, and they must be regular and punctual to attend various sessions of training, which makes them more disciplined in their life. Next number is national integration. In India, various people of different caste, creed, religion, languages, etc., and they live together. Physical activities provide an opportunity for them to participate in training and in various tournaments at different levels. This actually provides a common platform where they can interact to each other, understand and share feelings, and learn to adjust with each other, which finally leads to the development of the spirit of national integration in the students. Next, number 9th point is development of all-round personality. When students participate in different games and sports activities, their physical development, mental development, social development, emotional development occurs. All these type of developments actually lead to all-round development of individual's personality. Number last point is development of positive lifestyle. Children, this is also very important point. If students wants to keep themselves fit and healthy, they should avoid undesirable activities like smoking, use of alcohol, tobacco and drugs. These are very important. Use of these will make them more prone to develop various health related problems in their life. So students should not engage themselves in these undesirable activities, and at the same time they should encourage and motivate others to avoid these and choose a healthy lifestyle, for which they must take part in various physical activities. So children, you have to write in your fair register this topic. Thank you, children.